Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So I came up here by the barn to try to get out of the wind. It's pretty windy out today. I've already had a pretty busy day. I had an order that I took to the florist early on, my normal florist, put in an order. So I ran that over there. And my florist did tell me today that one of the members of the garden club had stopped in and said that I had mentioned him in my speech that I gave to the garden club. So he thought that was awesome, and I really appreciated them giving him a thumbs up for helping me and supporting me. That was kind of a fun part of my day. And then I have another florist now in a different town, in a different direction, and I ran some flowers over to them so that they could have a sample of what my flowers are like. It's like a cute little like coffee shop slash flower shop called Coffee Incarnations in Prairie City, Iowa. Super cute, super nice people. I'm really excited. I wish it wasn't the end of my season, but hopefully I'll get to know them better at the end here and then maybe next year as well. I wish them luck. It looks like they have a really good flower designer, so that's awesome. And today is very windy and it's going to be like 97 degrees, I think. So I might just call it good with that. I do have an appointment later this afternoon, and I do need to call the vet and maybe have my little dog taken in. She's been coughing a lot, so I need to get that looked at. And so it's been just kind of one of those mornings followed by a really hot afternoon. And I think tomorrow it cools way off. And I think one night this week it's only like 40 degrees at night. Goodbye, zinnias. Maybe they'll make it through. I think it still warms up during the day. But I was going to clean up and stuff, but I thought, why clean up today when it's 96? I'll just start cleaning up tomorrow. It'll last a lot longer. And I do have some stuff I need to get done. So yesterday, I just decided I would get out of the wind. Every time I think you guys can hear me, I go to replay my video and it's like, oh my gosh, that wind was brutal. They couldn't hear me at all. So I'm gonna take you into the cooler real quick because after yesterday's harvesting, it is packed and it's pretty much all stuff I've been harvesting in like just yesterday and then maybe on Thursday last week. Look at this beautiful cooler. Need to get through some of these snapdragons. And I definitely could fit some more, but that's kind of, these are kind of the old things. But they're still looking really pretty. I got a ton of status yesterday. That's awesome that you saw that huge bucket of snapdragons. I fitted up there. They're almost even touching the ceiling. They're so tall. All my beautiful Lisianthus. I did take a bunch of Lisianthus. I took a bunch of snapdragons. I took a couple sunflowers and some amaranth to my florist today. So that was awesome. And then I took it to the hopefully new florist that I'll be working with in the coming years. So that was exciting. I got that done. I had picked over 300 zinnias yesterday, and I think I probably still have about 100 of them left. And even after picking the prettiest of zinnias to take to them, I still have some gorgeous zinnias left. Here's what's left of the celosia that I picked today. I should get my Dusty Miller in the cooler. I was going to use that to make an arrangement, and then more zinnias. I think tomorrow when it's nice and cool, I'll just get so much more done because I won't even be contending with the heat. So I'm gonna wait and do that. I'm gonna get the vet called. I might read a few pages from the new book that I got. It seems very interesting so far. It's called Flower School. It has a lot about designing in it, so I thought that would be cool to get some expert knowledge. I've already read like 3 books, I think. I could share those with you. They're really good books, all of them. The Color Me Floral, the Posy book, and A Year in Flowers. those were all excellent books. I'm always up for like reading a book or something if I have a few moments, or just seeing some different techniques. I think I do kind of have my own design and my own eye for what I like, and I think that's fun. So every once in a while I'll try something new and see how it works out. I do have some seeds here, some larkspur, chrysanthemum, Beatrice, some columbine, delphinium, dianthus, and foxglove. I'm starting to go through and pick those things out that I think I can direct sow in the fall, because I'm going to start cleaning up my sunflowers, cleaning up some stuff that doesn't need to be there, and then cleaning up my perennial field and some of those bare areas. I'm going to just try direct sowing some fall things and see if they come up. Of course, I'll take you along when I do that, but those are in the plans for the upcoming month, maybe month and a half. It's just another day in the life of a flower farmer. Deliveries take a lot of time, and then I'm just gonna wait until it cools down to clean up my field. And I'll probably on Thursday cut more flowers for the farmer's market on Friday, and hopefully I'll get to make some bouquets in between. Anyway, I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I hope to see you in the next one. And it just kind of looks hot out there, doesn't it?